Hey guys, you are once again welcome to my channel. So you can see on my screen this beautiful shirt collar that I made. So you can see how beautiful it looks like. So if it is something that you are interested to learn, don't go away. Stay with us to the end of this video and learn how I draft, cut and sew this beautiful shirt collar. Without further talking, let's get into the video. So this is my collar interface. I have folded it into two and I'm going to start my drafting. So I'm going to mark my frame for my drafting by going up by 4 inches, and I'm going to join the 2 points together. And the next circumference I'm working with is 18 divided by 2 is going to give me 9, which is for the width of my collar. And then I'm going to mark it upward and also connect the 2 dots together as well. Now to get my collar band, what I'm going to do, from the down part I'm going to mark 1.75 and I'm going to go front to mark so that I will get the square and mark it with my thick lines as you see on my screen, and I'll go out a little bit from the frame itself. On the center front line I will go down by half of an inch, and then on the down part I will go up by 1/4 of an inch. So from the center front I'm going to mark 1 inch and I will go in also by 1.5 inches, making 2.5 inches, and then I will come up and mark the 1 inch I've marked down there, and I'm going to connect the 2 markings together. What I will be doing is I'm going to use my French curve or my pattern master to connect this part from that 1/2 inch I came down from the center front, and I'm going to connect it to my 1.75 at the center back. From the center front, the 1/4 inch I mark, I'm going to connect it to my 1.5 I came inside with, and then I'll connect it together. And then from the center back I will go up by 1/2 of an inch. Okay, then I'm going to go a little bit front and mark the same, and I'm going to connect it with curve to that 1.5 inch I came in from, that make it 2.5. So this is our collar band is ready. Now for our collar stand, what we are going to do, from the upper side we will come down by 1/2 of an inch. It's very simple, and we connect it to the 1 inch mark frame we did over there. And then now on my center front, that 1 inch mark I mark, I will go out by 1/8 of an inch, 1/8 of an inch, and I'm going to connect it to my 1 inch mark up there, and our collar frame is ready. On this side I noticed that my curve was not properly connected, so I need to remark it, and it's exactly what I'm doing on my screen. So this is the connection. On my center front, on that 1/2 inch, I'll come in by 1/4 of an inch, and then I'll connect it to my center front down there. So you can see our frame is ready, and I'm cutting it out. So if you are new to my channel, you are warmly welcome to my channel, and if you are an old member or a subscriber to my channel, I really appreciate you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so whilst you are watching this very part. Click on the subscription button and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. And don't forget to share this video to your groups wherever you are, and let them know that Matured Clothing is here to give you the best drafting ideas for your skills. And also, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section for the growth of this particular channel. So this is our collar. You can see how beautiful and professional it look like. Okay, this is our collar band and this is our collar stand. Okay, it is very, very beautiful. So now I will take it to the table and paste it on my fabric I'm going to use in creating the collar. So this is my fabric and this is my collar stand and my collar band. So I'm going to iron it and paste it on my fabric, as you can see. And then I'm going to also put my collar stand. The gap you leave in between the collar band and the collar stand is 1/4 of an inch. Okay, that's the amount you are going to leave in between them. And make sure you give it a good press it till it's fully gummed to the fabric. So far, if you have learned something from this video and you find this video interesting, please make sure you hit on the like button so that it will help us grow on this channel and this family will become a broad family. Okay, so now I'm cutting out my space, but on the downside what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut with measurement of 1/2 of an inch. Okay, so that's what I'm doing, and I'm going to give the down part a little notch so that I'll be able to fold it on my collar band, as you can see me doing. So make sure you leave your comment in the comment section. If there's something you don't understand, you can also click on my WhatsApp link in the description box so that we can also communicate. If there is something that you want to do and you need my assistance, I can also help you by linking me up. This is the fabric I'm using for the back of my collar. So I will lay my main front on it and trim it exactly the way I trim it for the front. And also, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the growth of this channel and for algorithm to push this video to those who are really interested in learning how to cut, draft and sew like a pro. Now I'm returning my fold on my collar band. I will fold it back like this. Hit on the like button. If you really find our videos interesting, hit on the like button right now. Hit on the like button. So now let's go to the machine and I will show you how I stitch it. Now on this part, where what I'm going to do is I'm going to start my stitching from the collar stand at the edge, and I'm going to make sure I stitch it all around like this, and I'm going to stop at the end of my collar stand. So the gap I left in between is what I'm going to cut it out like this. I'm going to cut the collar stand off from the collar band. Okay, so that is it, and I'm going to cut around the collar stand by leaving at least 1/4 of an inch all around it. And I'm going to show you how I do my folding to get a perfect edge. Okay, so now look at how I do it. I fold the up 1/4 and the side 1/4 to create the edge, and I will open my collar, and then I'm going to wiggle, just wiggle. Okay, you can see how perfect the edge look like. You can see it. It is beautiful. I'm going to do the same to the other side and turn it outside in. Okay, so I do the wiggling and then everything is set. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to go to the table because it is already set. What I will just do is I'm going to stitch my style line, but whilst I'm stitching, I'll make sure I'll be pulling. So now let's look at how I do it. This is my style line. I'm just stitching. Look at me pulling the down part. Okay, you can see my left hand is pulling the down fabric while the right hand is directing my style line to be perfect. So after doing that, what I will do is I'm going to stitch the down part and lock it together. Whilst I'm doing that, I'm pulling the down to get an accurate collar stand without having any, or you can see how beautiful, straight, without any iron even at the back. It's very beautiful. Now I'm going to notch the center and I'm going to join the collar stand to the collar band by notching the collar stand layer like this. I'm going to join it like this and take my notch, and I will do the same to the back as well. Guys, make sure you hit the like button. And now I'm going to join my collar stand to my collar band like this by making sure that everything will be perfect. I'll first of all stitch from the middle downwards. Okay, from the middle downwards, and I will take my time and I'll make sure I'm going to leave the small space that I leave around from the interface. Okay, and I'm going to make sure I do the same to the other side. Make sure the three are being stitched together. Okay, so stitch it together. Please don't forget to share this video. Keep on sharing. Share it to your friends, share it to your colleagues, share it to your loved ones. Any group you find yourself, keep on sharing this video to help the channel grow. Okay, so this is how I stitch my collar. I take the notch and return it inside out like this. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend to make them aware of the good work we are putting in to help those who are interested in learning how to cut, draft, and sew professionally. I'm going to stitch the joint. I'm going to top stitch the joint line at the very top, and you can see me pulling the down fabric as well. Now my collar is ready. So guys, if you find our videos interesting, kindly hit on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video and beautiful and professional content like this, you'll be quickly notified. And make sure you leave your comment in the comment section. Keep on sharing the video and make sure you also hit on the like button. Now check out the next tutorial showing on your screen. Until we meet again, stay blessed and see you in our next video. Bye.